Okay, Ashish, let's go ahead with your mock. Okay, so you're appearing for which interview?
ISL से
ISL. कब है आपका ये?
सर 15 सितंबर.
Okay, Ashish, then let's go ahead with your mock for IUCL. So first of all, go ahead and introduce yourself briefly to us.
First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. My name is Ashish Kumar and I am from Bhiwani. This place is also known as Choti Kasi. While I am in the school, I have done my schooling from my hometown, and I was graduated from JC Bose YMC University, Faridabad, in mechanical engineering in year 2020. My father is self-employed in his automobile workshop, and my mother is a homemaker. She is a good manager also. While I was in the college, I was a part of a team, which makes an all-terrain vehicle. So while remaining the part of that team, I have designed and manufactured the gearbox. This gearbox
Vishal
is
sir, you can
almost
mute your microphone.
this gearbox is almost 40% less in weight as compared to the previous one. And in the final year, I am also the transmission head, so I got an opportunity to lead my department. My hobbies are playing cricket, running, and browsing through the current trends in internal combustion engine. Basically, this hobby is the hobby of I knowing more about IC engine is because of my project and my father who is an automobile mechanic. That's pretty much about me.
Okay. So Ashish, when did you complete your BTech?
Sir, I completed my BTech in year 2026, May 2020.
2020.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what were you doing after that?
Sir, I just take a drop and prepare for the gate exams. Like for PSC.
Mm-hmm. So why you want to get into PSU?
So basically, in my point of view, sir, PSU is a most prestigious job I think we have after engineering, and also the very good work and life balance is there, sir. Personal life balance is there, and the salary and other incentives are also very good. That's why the reason that I want to join the PSU, sir.
Mm-hmm. So you're interested in IUCL or in any particular PSU, in
Sir,
any other
mainly,
PSU also?
sir, it's always going to focus on ISL, sir.
Why?
Sir, basically,
Why not other
there are
PSUs?
sir, the two main reasons for the ISL is that sir, I have interest in fluid and as well as thermal part of the science in engineering. So in the ISL, I got an opportunity to work in those departments as well as there are many other opportunities there in different scenario and it is going to work. And why is the ISL? Because it is the biggest company that of India. And the second reason I told you that my father is an automobile mechanic. So since my childhood, when I ever go there, I see some products there, like which are the it's like servo product for lubricants also. So my father told me about that. These come from the ISL. So the second reason is linked to that. So.
But you must have seen the products on HPCL and BPCL also over
Yes,
there.
sir. I seen sir, but
Then
actually
how could you differ?
that the second is the it's the biggest company in the biggest company in downstream, sir, as respect with HPCL and BPCL also. It's a more worth opportunity than that I have in HPCL or BPCL.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So let us say if you get a chance in any other particular PSU, let us say you get a chance is ONGC
Okay,
or maybe BHEL or something.
okay.
Then what will you do?
Sir, I think both companies are very good, sir. And if I got the opportunity first in the ISL, I would like to be ever with the ISL because the vast domain is there associated with ISL as compared to ONGC. Because ONGC is like with exploration and all the activities are there. The supply network is more in case of ISL as well as exploration and production is also with ISL. So ISL is, I think, in more vast domain itself.
Mm. Okay. And what was the BTech project?
Sir, I have done a BTech project in Volta and sir. I have designed and manufactured gearbox for mainly gears and shafts.
Just repeat it one more time.
Sir, I have designed and manufactured gearbox, sir, for an all-terrain vehicle. Basically, it's an event that for which we participate all over India, sir. It's associated. Its name is Baha, and it's also organized by Mahindra RC, sir.
What do you mean by design and manufacture the
Basically,
gearbox?
sir, designing means the part starting from the basic calculations and their like deciding the material and deciding the what are the main constraints. Like in case of gears, we have like module, the dia, and other stuff. And manufacturing that controlling the manufacturing all are what are the processes are going to be in manufacturing. How like what is the first process like turning in the lathe or flats. After that, the like hobbing machine, hobbing that is done on that, and the hardening processor. All in all, I am coordinated with it. So
So you by yourself have manufactured the gears. That's what you're saying, right?
yes, sir. And sir, reason
Mm-hmm.
is yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, we
So,
self-manufacture
mhm.
because sir, I have available some with gears like we can assemble it from already OEM parts also, sir, which we do in the previous year, which leads to our weight around 14 to 15 kg, sir. But after the designing, we can decrease that weight around 8 to 9 kg, sir, which is a significant weight reduction, or it's a power restricted event, sir. So in same power, if we have lesser weight, it's going to be better for us.
Mm-hmm. So how you started your design?
Sir, I started from the basic calculation, like what the maximum torque that we needed for our vehicle, sir, so that it can accelerate
So,
in a better position. Yes, sir.
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
After that,
Okay.
after that, we go for the calculations like what much about the gear ratio required for that, sir. After finding the gear ratio, we, we go for the
So
selection of the
how much
material.
was the power that is required to be transmitted? How much power, maximum power you transmitted?
Sir, in our engine that has 10 horsepower engine, sir, and it's given to 19.8 Newton meter on the shaft. After that, our overall reduction that maximum we needed is around 500 Newton meter torque, sir. So for which we use a CVT, which is a OEM part, sir, and after that we designed a fixed gear ratio reduction gearbox, sir.
So to transmit this power and this torque, right?
Yes, sir.
So what were the how many that speed reductions did you get?
Sir, around from the gearbox only, I got 10.8 maximum reduction, sir. And CVT, it's provide a variable gearbox reduction ratio. So it's like around 3 to 2.45, sir. It's on wide range. It's like a minimum starting it give maximum reduction ratio is of 3.0, and after at high speed it give like a 0.45. So it is going to apply more give more output speed after.
So what was how many shifting did you gear shifting did
Sir,
you
no, sir, no, sir.
use over there?
No, sir, it's completely automatic because we use CVT, sir. Like in Scooty, we have the gearbox is
Sorry,
only fixed. Gearbox is only fixed reduction ratio gearbox. No reduction, a fixed amount. Yes, sir.
only one step reduction.
Two step reduction, sir, in that. But we don't use any shifter
Uh,
because we have CVT, sir.
mhm. No, CVT. How did you get it from where?
Sir, it's a OEM part, sir, actually, and the Bahas specifies some CVT, which we have two options we generally have. A CVTech CVT, its cost is less, so we prefer it, and other is modified CVT that they give its cost is almost twice of that, sir. But they provide more vast range, so which may help in the reduction of the size of the gearbox. But we go for lower one,
Hmm.
sir.
Hmm. So two-step reduction means what was the size of the gear on the?
Yes. Sir, I'm not, you are notable, sir. Can you please repeat one more time? Hello.
Yeah, audio.
Yes, sir. Can you repeat one
So
more time, sir?
What was the size of original, that is the size of the gear at the input shaft?
Sir, input shaft gear we have 19 teeth, sir. It's a 2 mm module gearbox, 2 mm teeth in pinion, sir. It's around 1942 43 mm, 42 mm size, sir.
Why you took
And,
2 mm module?
sir, module is just basically, sir, it's a due to a like we have around 1.5 is also available and 2.5 with our manufacturer, sir. But in 2.5 case module there is more gearbox size will increase, sir. The die of the pinion will going to be enhanced, but we don't not require that much of strength from that because it's simultaneous strength also. And 1.5 model we have in we have to increase more face width. So we consider both face width as well as die as our constraint, and after that we take the 2 mm as a module.
Okay. So, okay, Ashish, since I have to leave, so I will give you feedback first.
Okay,
Vishal
okay,
sir will continue your mock and he will provide you the feedback at later stage. Okay.
okay, sir.
So, see, the point is, first is why you want to join PSU. Okay.
Yes,
It's
sir.
a prestigious, you said that work-life balance and salary structure and all those things are over there. And your father was also a mechanic and all that, you related to that.
Yes, sir.
And also you can mention, even though you mentioned somewhere else, that okay, since this you will also be able to utilize the knowledge whatever you have gained, right?
Yes,
So that could be the one part where you can tell about yourself also, that whatever you have acquired, how you can utilize in the different domains.
yes, sir.
मेनली IUCL ना, ये थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन ट्रिकी रहता है कि अच्छा, एक और चीज, इससे पहले मैं थोड़ा स्पीड की फीडबैक दे दूं आपको। आप
Yes,
जब
sir.
बोल रहे हो ना, वो स्पीड थोड़ा फास्ट है,
Okay, sir.
उससे क्या हो रहा है, कुछ एक मिक्सिंग हो रही है वर्ड्स की, बहुत क्लैरिटी के साथ नहीं आ रहा है।
Yes, sir. I will try to work on it.
ठीक है, तो ये ध्यान रखना, क्लैरिटी से जो भी बताना है आपने, क्लैरिटी से बताना है, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
और मेनली IUCL ही जाना चाहता हूं, तो ये थोड़ा सा सुपरफिशियल लगता है इन द सेंस कि गिवन द अपॉर्चुनिटी, आज आपको ONGC का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले तो आप उसमें भी जाना चाहोगे, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप IUCL में आना
Yes, sir.
चाहोगे,
वो
ठीक है।
yes, sir.
तो आप इसको ऐसे बोलो कि हाँ, ये बता सकते हो कि जैसे आपने एक पॉइंट बताया IUCL के बारे में कि इट इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट PSU,
Yes,
एंड जितनी भी जो चीजें मैंने whatever I had thought of, maybe many concepts may also be utilized, जो आपने स्टडी किए हैं,
yes,
एंड whatever I had thought of, और जो इमेजिन किया है मेरे सीनियर्स या बाकी लोग भी हैं जो मुझे फीडबैक या जिन्होंने मुझे शेयर किया है, ऑलरेडी दे आर माय रोल मॉडल एंड ऑल दैट।
yes,
सो डेफिनेटली मेरा इंटरेस्ट है IUCL में, एंड अगर मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है, डेफिनेटली आई विल गो फॉर IUCL,
okay,
ठीक है। अभी
yes, sir.
एज ऑफ नाउ आई डोंट हैव अ कॉल फ्रॉम अदर PSUs आल्सो, सो आई वुड ट्राई टू गो फॉर इट।
Yes,
इस तरीके से थोड़ा बात करनी है।
okay, sir.
एक्सप्लोरेशन एंड वास्ट नेटवर्क है, ये वो चीजें हैं, ये बोलने के लिए वास्ट नेटवर्क है, अगर वास्ट नेटवर्क नहीं भी होता तो क्या ज्वाइन नहीं करते। हाँ, ये बोल सकते हो कि डिफरेंट डोमेन्स में है तो आपको एक्सपोजर ज्यादा मिलेगा,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। इस तरीके से
Okay.
बात करनी है कि लेट अस से सिंस IUCL is in different domains, so I think that I will get a diversified kind of exposure
Yes.
in PSUs, in this PSU, so that is why it is I'm more interested. प्रोजेक्ट है, थोड़ा सा इसको ब्रीफ करो आप, और स्पेसिफिक होना है इसमें, मतलब क्योंकि टाइम ज्यादा नहीं होता PSUs में,
Yes, sir.
10 से
Okay,
15
sir.
मिनट का होता है आपका, तो विद इन दैट यू हैव टू रैप अप। तो उसमें क्या है कि आप पर्पस क्या था और आपने क्या अचीव किया, डिजाइन एंड मैन्युफैक्चर, मतलब जैसे आपने मुझे बताया ना कि आपका वेट रिडक्शन था, चैलेंज क्या था, अगर तो बेटर है आप बोलो कि आपने ये जो बनाया बेसिकली, अब ये हॉबिंग मशीन्स और ये वो थी आपके कॉलेज में?
Yes, sir. We don't have, sir. In our college, we are outsourcing everything, sir. We did outsourcing.
बनवाया, किसी से बनवाया आपने?
Yes, sir. Sir, we are the मतलब
तो
we are
आप
give specification to like every portion, and we yes, it's not from
हाँ, तो
a
आप
single
ऐसे बोल
source.
सकते हो कि जो कंपटीशन होता है, द ग्रेटेस्ट चैलेंज वाज ऑफ दिस वेट रिडक्शन एंड देयरफॉर गियर बॉक्स जो डिजाइन को ऑप्टिमाइज करना था, क्योंकि
Okay, sir.
वो मोर पावर एंड वेट रिडक्शन, सो क्यों कैसे अचीव कर पाए आप, वो बताना पड़ेगा आपको, ठीक
Yes,
है।
sir.
भाई आपने
Okay.
गियर रिडक्शन अचीव की, 8 to 9 kg में लेके आए, क्या ऐसी चेंजेस की गियर्स में, गियर बॉक्स के उसमें, so that you could do that, provided बाकी पैरामीटर्स जो है हैम्पर नहीं हुए.
Yes, sir.
स्ट्रेंथ हो गया, चाहे आपका पावर ट्रांसफर हो गया, उनको
Sir,
बिना
like
हैम्पर किए.
like one reason, sir, like we use holosoft instead of solid, sir. It's also we
नहीं, वो ठीक है, वो यूज किया
Yes, sir.
आपने, पर उसका देखना
Yes.
पड़ेगा आपको स्ट्रेंथ और रिजिडिटी क्राइटेरिया के हिसाब से कोई डिफरेंस तो नहीं आ रहा है, तो आप
Yes,
बता
sir.
सकते हो. तो पहले शुरू में आपने बताया कि आप ये बोलो कि हमने डिजाइन किया, मेरा काम ये था, एंड जो उसमें क्या था, वी वर एबल टू रिड्यूस द वेट, मीटिंग द टोटल रिक्वायरमेंट, जो उनकी स्पेसिफिकेशन उन्होंने दिया विद इन दैट पैरामीटर दैट यू हैव टू वर्क, उसमें
Yes.
जो है हमने किया, फोकस किया ऑन रिडक्शन ऑफ द गियर बॉक्स वेट, एंड उसमें थोड़ी डिजाइन चेंजेस की, सो दैट यू कैन, फिर वो पूछ सकता है व्हाट आर दोस डिजाइन चेंजेस.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, वेयर आप बोलोगे कि मैं अपनी डिजाइन की नॉलेज जो है उसमें यूज कर पाया,
Yes.
तो दे आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड कि वैसा कोई काम आपने ऐसा किया है जिसमें आप उसको अपनी नॉलेज यूज कर रहे होगे.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, तो इस पार्ट के ऊपर ऐसे ध्यान देना है. रेस्ट आपको विशाल सर अभी प्रोसीड करेंगे और फिर फर्दर फीडबैक भी दे देंगे आपको. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
ओके ओके, ओवर टू विशाल सर.
Yes, okay, sir. Thank you. So Ashish, yes, I'm audible, Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashish, you worked on some gearbox, like
Yes,
you
sir.
mentioned.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me some of the advantages of gear drive as compared to what you can say belt drive? What are the advantages and limitations?
Sir, first is the advantage is that it's a positive gear drive, sir. Drive, sir. In which matlab, there are less losses as compared to like sleeping that we have in belt is not there, sir. And we can maintain actual contact, actual gear ratio that we need required, sir. And that also the speed RPM losses will not be there because of sleep, sir. And the disadvantage is that, sir, for the same specification power required, like we have a small gearbox, we does not have. So it have lesser weight if we go for the sleep belt drive, sir. In lesser weight will be there, and the sir also the distance between the distance between the two input and output will be more than we generally prefer the belt drive, because in a smaller distance the requirement of the our gearbox is like a gear ratio we may not be able to achieve with the belt drives.
So if you want to transmit power at a longer distance,
Yes, sir, generally then we prefer.
fine. Ashish, can you tell me the gear which can be used to transmit power between the two shafts at an angle? Like suppose we are having two shafts at an
Yes, sir.
particular angle.
Yes,
So
sir.
with what type of gear we can transmit power?
Yes, sir, generally for 90-degree power transmission we use, sir, a bevel gear, sir.
No, not 90 degree. At some angle.
Yes. Hypoid gear, sir. Then hypoid gear is generally we use, sir.
Hypoid gear we use.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा,
Hypoid gear
herringbone gear क्या होता है? What is herringbone gear?
Sir, having herringbone gear have basically come after the advantage to overcome the losses we going to come in helical gear, sir. It have two different direction inclined tips, sir, and there is between gap is there, so the net effect of the axial thrust will be neglected there, sir.
अच्छा, herringbone को कहाँ पे use करते हैं? Like
Sir,
what type of
generally
shaft,
yes, sir. More precision gear, more precision if they require, like, sir, maybe I'm not sure, but I listen that it's maybe used in turbine and there because its cost is very high, sir. In turbine work, it's going to be used, sir. And where the bevel gear, like we have, sir, I'm not getting proper term, sir, like where the different type of bearing in general bearing will be there, sir. In that case, we shall also prefer because no exit thrust will be there, sir.
Ashish, like if I will ask you, what you feel, what are the strengths in you which makes you suitable for this particular position in IOCL?
Sir, I think I have most is the adaptability, sir. I have adaptable. I just for 12th before I 12th I just live in the hometown and use schooling. But for my higher study, I leave the home very easily, sir. It's not be difficult for me. So it's going to be helpful for ICL because it's going to be placed anywhere in India, sir. So I don't have to be much problem with adjusting in different environments, sir. And the second
And
is
what
the
about
hard.
job profile? What about job profile?
Sir, job profile, sir, not up till now. I have not any experience, sir. I not much like I have to work
So
only
you
this
are
domain
ready to
also.
work in marketing?
Yes, sir. I have no
You're
issues
ready
in
to work in
them.
marketing?
Yes, sir. I ready, sir. In my project also, sir, because we are a college student, sir. So for project we have to deal with in aftermarket, so that they give us some sponsorship. So I also deal with them. So get a dealer sponsorship for making our project in easy way.
Ashish, like suppose in industry you are working as an officer, and suppose
Yes,
there is some kind of dispute is going on between two persons which are
yes,
actually
sir.
working under you.
Okay,
So
sir.
how you will solve, how you will actually try to control the situation so that that dispute can be solved, or you can give me some kind of example also, like in past if you solved some kind of dispute between others, between two persons, that also you can highlight. What is actually your way of dealing with the problem, that I want to know.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, first, in order to deal with them, we have come to know about what are the issues between they are facing with each other, sir. Whether they are just personal issues, or they are want to different related with their work, sir. So after knowing that, also we can take our first steps, sir. And this thing I think I have done in my project also, sir. Because we are in my final year, we have to recruit our juniors for the project for our team, sir. So in that case, we find like a situation that two or three students are coming that we want only this department, we need only this, and if we don't we get that, we leave it as I can't work with him, sir. So in that case, maybe we can if they are not working properly, our suggestion are not working there, this after discussing with them, so maybe we can change the department, and the major steps that we can take, sir, if they things are not working with them.
Ashish, what are your favorite subject?
Sir, I prepared, sir, internal combustion engine, basic thermodynamics, and fluid machine, and fluid mechanics, as well as heat transfers.
So let me ask you some questions first from IC engine. Ashish,
Okay, sir.
Ashish, how diesel engine is different from petrol engine?
Sir, in diesel engine, sir, we use diesel as a fuel, which is generally ignited by the self after compression ignition, sir. It's like its ignition point is self ignition temperature is less, so it's going to be ignite after just after compression when we enter into the. While in case of petrol, sir, we have a petrol which is at higher ignition temperature, self ignition temperature of petrol is higher. So we use after compression, a spark is provided for that is the combustion, and power output will be generated there, sir. And the diesel engines are generally high compression ratios are favorable for them, and for the spark ignition, lower compression ratios are favorable.
Then why the compression ratio for diesel engine is lifted in the range of that 16 to 20? Why don't we use
Yes,
compression ratio
yes,
24,
sir. We
25?
can go for that also, but by going that, it enhance the cost of the diesel engine, sir. Because like material restrictions are also there. Because after a higher compression ratio, there will be higher pressure will be there, as well as the cylinder bursting chances will enhance. So in order to make it economical as well as a better efficiency range also, we try to optimize the gear ratio, compression ratio in between 16 to 20.
Acha, Ashish, what do you think? What is the effect of increasing the compression ratio on the mechanical efficiency of the engine?
Sir, mechanical efficiency, sir, it's like we see just diesel expression like efficiency we have related, then that is going to be increased, sir, if we have a higher compression ratio, sir.
Mechanical efficiency will increase. Why?
No, sir, the overall efficiency that we deals with
No,
that
I'm
going.
asking you mechanical efficiency. What do you think? If you're increasing the compression ratio in a diesel engine, what do you
Yes, sir.
think? The mechanical efficiency will increase, decrease, or it will remain unaffected?
Sir, just if I deal mechanical efficiency with the respect to like friction and the other factors, it's going to be decrease, sir, because the power also I'm going to increase when we have higher compression ratio, but the friction and all other stuffs are also going to be increased with it, sir.
So
So,
mechanical efficiency will decrease.
so,
You understand?
so mechanical efficiency may be going to decrease, sir. There's are both
Increase.
effect.
Increase.
May No, sir, may going to be decreased, sir, but overall
Decrease.
efficiency generally we see that it's always going to be increased just by saying
Thermal
the
efficiency will
expression.
increase.
Yes, thermal efficiency will increase, sir.
अच्छा कट ऑफ रेशियो क्या होता है? What is cut off ratio?
Sir, it's the cutoff ratio is generally the amount, the time period for which we provide the fuel injection in the diesel engine, sir. Like just after we consider like top dead center to decrease in volume, some expansion stroke up to some expansion stroke, we provide some injection of the fuel. Then the ratio of that two volumes is generally known as cutoff ratio.
अच्छा कट ऑफ रेशियो से क्या होता है? What is the effect of cut off ratio on the mean effective pressure inside the engine?
Sir, if we increase the cutoff ratio, it's going to enhance the mean effective pressure, sir. Because
What
it's
about
a
efficiency?
efficiency may be going to decrease, sir, as a overall efficiency, because the more of the fuel we going to be injected, that much of power output will not be able to
But
get
mean
out.
effective pressure is increasing, means work output is increasing. The
Yes,
increase
sir,
in cut off ratio.
work output is going to be increased, but sir, the amount of heat that we added, the amount of fuel we going to be increased will far more than that increase in power, sir.
Ashish, what is knocking? What is knocking in SI engine?
Sir, knocking is the abnormal combustion basically, and in SI engine it occurs because of two flame front when strike with each other.
So how we can avoid knocking in SI engine?
Yes, sir, there are some parameters generally we try to deal with them, like decreasing the compression ratio, as well as decreasing the size of the piston that we have. Spark
Piston or
timing.
combustion chamber?
Yes, sir. Piston trying to decrease the combustion chamber, like we have cylinder volume that we have, and also the turbulence is also a better factor. Like if we enhance the turbulence, then it's going to lead to lesser chances of the knocking, sir, because heat is going to.
But size reduction करने थे तो आपका sweat volume will also decrease.
Yes, sir. Sweat volume also going to decrease. Sir, that can we maintain, like we increase the number of cylinders, sir. Like in vehicles we have 3 or 4, generally 3 will be sufficient, but in order to increase the power they go for 4 in a higher SUVs, sir.
Ashish, what is a regenerative type heat exchanger? You heard about regenerative type heat exchanger?
Yes, sir. Regenerative type I heard about.
क्या होता है? How they are different from other conventional type heat exchanger?
Sir, regenerative, like there is a matrix material available there, sir, which take the first heat from the higher temperature fluid, sir, and that heat is going to be transferred to the lower heat temperature fluid, sir. So it's like
what is the advantage? Can you tell me any two advantages of these type of heat exchanger over other heat exchangers? Advantages and some limitation.
Sir, I don't know, sir. I'm not sure.
Advantages you don't know.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me something about the effectiveness of a heat exchanger, Ashish?
So effectiveness, it's like it's actual the heat transfer that is going to be take place with the heat exchanger, or the divided by the maximum heat transfer that can be take place. It's the ratio.
अच्छा गैस टरबाइन देखा आपने? गैस टरबाइन
Actually I not say, but I have heard about studied in power plants, sir.
अच्छा ब्राइटन साइकिल में जो आपने हीट एक्सचेंजर लगाया हुआ है, ब्राइटन साइकिल में
Yes, sir.
हीट एक्सचेंजर लगाते हैं for some kind of regenerative Brayton cycle, if I will talk about.
Generally, sir, don't know, sir, which way going to be used, but generally we used after the expansion if fluid take place in the turbine, so that the temperature,
preheat the air before entering
yes,
into the combustion chamber by utilizing the heat of the flue gases.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, that kind maybe, yes, sir, regenerative maybe, because the different places there.
Suppose if you want to find out that maximum effectiveness of that regenerative heat exchanger used in gas turbine, तो कितना हो सकता है उसका maximum efficiency? Can you find out?
Sir, I know the expression, sir. Maximum generally we could, if we see ideal as it take as ideal, it 100% generally use, sir, in calculating some expression, but I don't know much exactly what is actual in scenario. It's whether I need to write an expression for that, sir. Yes, sir.
Which expression you will write?
Like, sir, with the temperature range in which the heat is going to be transfer, and how the maximum what is the maximum amount of heat that
अच्छा,
can be
इसको अगर
transferred.
हम कंसीडर करें एज ए काउंटर फ्लो हीट एक्सचेंजर,
Yes, sir.
can you write the expression of effectiveness for this particular case? Counter flow regenerative heat exchanger, can you write the expression of effectiveness?
Counter. Yes, sir. I can try, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Like, sir, this one we generally, this expression we use, sir.
एक जनरल एक्सप्रेशन, ठीक है.
Yes, yes, sir.
अच्छा, my last question is to Ashish. What is cavitation?
Sir, the cavitation is the process that is going to take place when the vapor bubbles are formed in a low pressure region. If the vapor pressure, absolute vapor pressure of that region will be less than the vapor pressure of the liquid at that temperature. And this cavitation process, the bubbles will form in a low pressure region, but the cavitation process occurs slightly downstream of that, because of when these pressure bubbles will reach in high pressure region, and they're going to burst on the surface of the material that generally we use, or they're going to erode that surface.
So there will be any cavitation in submersible pump? What is there where there will be the cavitation?
So generally we see cavitation in our home. We have pumps, sir, like a centrifugal pump. If the height of that pump is like if we install it's like in second floor or first floor, if the in that case, if the region of the pressure at that is very low, in that case the bubbles will form, and on the blades they're going to be
So
cavitate.
submersible pump में there will be cavitation? There will be no cavitation?
No, sir. Actually, I think they in submersible pumps they are completely filled with water, sir. So in that case, the vapor pressure may not going to be decreased that much, sir.
Okay, okay, Ashish, let me give you the feedback. अभी limitation है because we are having some
Okay.
limited time, 20,
Okay.
15 minutes. Yeah, let me provide you the feedback. So Ashish, मैंने आपसे शुरू किया था क्वेश्चन गियरबॉक्स से, that you answered.
Okay.
Gearbox advantages, what type of gearbox you use there. Then I asked you for the IC engine questions. I started with the diesel and petrol difference. So you mentioned आपने ठीक बताया वो. अभी आज आपका डिलीवरी भी अच्छा लग रहा है. You're looking confident और आप एक sincerity से आंसर कर रहे हो. That is also good. Comfortable रहा है, सच आप नर्वस नहीं लग रहे हो आज. और टेक्निकली क्वेश्चन also you answered. मैकेनिकल एफिशिएंसी बच्चे, मैकेनिकल एफिशिएंसी आपने बाद में उसको करेक्ट कर दिया. दैट इज गुड थिंग. इनिशियली यू आर हैविंग द एक्सप्रेशन की आर इंक्रीजेस द एफिशिएंसी विल इंक्रीज, बट द थर्मल एफिशिएंसी इज गोइंग टू इंक्रीज, बट मैकेनिकल एफिशिएंसी विल डिक्रीज slightly. Why? Because with the increase in compression ratio, what you can say, the pressure, the maximum pressure is going to increase inside the combustion chamber, so that the piston, they, you know, the combustion chamber, the pressure that decides how actually far away your rings are going up. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So high pressure
going
is, so ring
okay.
will go further out. Okay.
Yes,
so what you can say, that will create a more wear and tear inside the combustion chamber. Because pressure बढ़ेगा तो rings आपके बाहर जाएंगे तो आपका wear tear बढ़ जाएगा. तो wear tear बढ़ने से क्या होगा, आपका frictional power will increase and your mechanical efficiency will decrease.
Okay.
और after that I asked you about knocking. तो knocking आपने ठीक बताया, how we can decrease that knocking, वो भी ठीक था. उसमें कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं आपने जो हाईलाइट करने चाहिए थे. एक्चुअली मिस ओक्टेन नंबर आपने नहीं बताया. ओक्टेन नंबर बता सकते हो?
Yes, sir. Okay.
हाई ओक्टेन फ्यूल, स्पार्क प्लग बढ़ा सकते हैं, नंबर ऑफ स्पार्क
Yes,
प्लग
sir.
वी कैन इंक्रीज. ठीक है. और साइज तो आपने बता दिया था. ऑप्टिमम साइज बोल सकते हो, सो दैट नो ऑटो इग्निशन ऑफ द चार्ज विल अकर.
Okay.
जैसे टर्बुलेंस को बढ़ा सकते हो. टर्बुलेंस पॉइंट आपने बताना चाहिए था. सर ऐसा करेंगे सो दैट देयर विल बी प्रॉपर मिक्सिंग ऑफ द फ्यूल, सो दैट turbulence will be there, and due to that turbulence the flame front speed will increase, so that no auto ignition will happen. उसको थोड़ा और इंटरेस्टिंग बना देना. turbulence, these are very actually very good points. turbulence, spark plug आपका हो गया, ये octane rating. ठीक है. ये पॉइंट्स आपको बताने हैं जब आपको अगर पूछे कि डोपिंग को कैसे हम कम कर सकते हैं। बाकी कैविटेशन जो आंसर सबमर्सिबल पंप में नहीं होगा, बिकॉज इन दिस वी आर नॉट एक्चुअली सकिंग द फ्लूइड, इट इज टोटली इमर्ज्ड इन द फ्लूइड। ओके, तो सक्शन नहीं हो रहा है, बट इन दैट सेंट्रीफ्यूगल पंप इट इज प्लेस्ड ओवर द सरफेस ऑफ द at some height from the surface of the fluid, so it is the suction is taking place, so you are reducing the pressure inside the you can say body of the centrifugal pump, but in case of submersible pump we are not reducing any kind of pressure. Okay, so there is no case of cavitation in the submersible pump. So ठीक है, technically I think you will be able to tackle the all those kind of questions, so I think it is fine, it is good from my side. बस ऐसे लगे रहो। आशीष, when is your interview?
Sir, on 15th September.
15, ठीक है, अभी आपके you are having one more week.
1 week.
अभी
sir.
एक वीक में जो मैं चेंजेस आप में देख रहा हूँ, you need to keep that kind of you can say motivation, है ना, उसी एनर्जी के साथ लगे रहो, and surely you will be able to succeed in your goal. But मेहनत मत छोड़ो, अभी लगे रहो, just listen about all full mock, snap mock सुनते रहो. Okay, try to get different type of questions from various resources which you can have. इंट्रोडक्शन को थोड़ा और प्रिसाइज करो। अभी देखो आपने वो रीजन बताया था, दैट इज एक्चुअली नॉट ए वैलिड रीजन, उसको आप ऐसे एक पॉइंट मेंशन कर सकते हो। मैंने चाइल्डहुड में सुना था कि दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय IOCL, उसको कंप्लीट करो सर। दैट एक्चुअली अट्रैक्टेड मी टुवर्ड्स द इंडस्ट्रियल व्हाट यू कैन से एरिया IOCL, and also sir what I feel कि IOCL में like information which I got from my seniors, my friends, my teachers, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो कि IOCL में बहुत अच्छा वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस है। IOCL में जो पर्क्स हैं, जो सैलरी स्ट्रक्चर है, दैट इज आल्सो वेरी गुड। ओके, तो कंफर्टेबल के साथ साथ सर एक क्रिएटिव जॉब है जो मेरे को लग रहा है, एंड इन IOCL सर मैं अपनी कैपेसिटीज को बहुत अच्छे से यूटिलाइज कर पाऊंगा, दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू जॉइन IOCL। तो इस तरह से उसको वो बताना है। एक वो जो आपने पॉइंट बताया था वो सिर्फ ठीक था लेकिन कंप्लीट नहीं था।
ओके सर,
बाकी ठीक है, डिस्प्यूट वगैरह, क्योंकि उसमें जो हमने ऑब्जर्व किया है मतलब साइकेट्रिक भी उसमें थोड़े से क्वेश्चन रहते हैं, एंड वो थोड़ा सा उसमें जो एक्सपर्ट बैठते हैं वो एनालाइज करने का कोशिश करते हैं कि व्हाट इज योर ओवरऑल पर्सनैलिटी अदर देन योर टेक्निकल स्ट्रेंथ। तो उस टाइम भी कंफर्टेबल रहना। अगर वो आपसे HR से अलग कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं आपका साइकोलॉजी जानने के लिए, तो उस तरह के क्वेश्चंस के लिए भी रेडी रहना है, सोचना है। ओके, कूल कंफर्टेबल रहना, एंड देन यू नीड टू अप्लाई योर माइंड। मेरे को लग रहा है आप ठीक लाइन पे जा रहे हो आशीष, तो लगे रहो एंड कीप इट अप, कीप प्रिपेयरिंग। थैंक यू। एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क?
Sir, one question. Actually, when I in college, I give an interview, sir, for a company. I told them that work culture is good there, sir, and I have. They asked how do you come to know that? Then I said that I have a friend that runs. So they asking about that, what your friend doing there, and all that question. That I'm not able to answer it like they asked it.
तो लिख दो इस पे, अभी बता दो एक दो फ्रेंड अभी इस पे IOCL में लास्ट ईयर के जो सिलेक्शन हुए हैं, गुरविंदर से बात करेंगे तो बच्चों का नाम ले लो, क्या दिक्कत है? बता देना कि सर ही इज वर्किंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लांट। अगर आपसे पूछता है तो अपने टीचर्स का बता देना कि सर जब मैं कॉलेज में था तो हमारे जो टीचर थे उनके फ्रेंड वगैरह होते थे, वो बताते थे कि PSUs में सर IOCL इज एट टॉप। तो यू कैन गिव रेफरेंस ऑफ सम ऑफ योर टीचर, मेंटर का रेफरेंस दे सकते हो, बता देना कि मेंटर मेरे जो कॉलेज में थे वो बिल्कुल सेफ रहेगा। ठीक है शीश?
यस सर।
वो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि वो अच्छा रहता है, इफ यू गिव सम काइंड ऑफ रेफरेंस। अभी इंफॉर्मेशन मिला है कहीं ना कहीं से तो मिला ना?
यस सर।
ठीक है?
ओके, यस सर, थैंक यू सर।
ओके शीश।